In this CapCut mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to add a falling text animation that makes your text drop off the screen in a clean and dramatic way. Let's go step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in your title or caption. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that suits this effect. Bold or solid fonts usually work best so the falling motion is clearly visible. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Out section, which controls how the text exits the screen. Scroll through the available options and apply the animation that makes the text suggestion fall downward. As soon as you apply it, you'll see your text dropping and disappearing from the frame. To control how the fall behaves, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for a slow, heavy, dramatic fall. Drag the slider to the right for a fast, sharp drop. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so it matches the rhythm of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a falling text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut mobile text animation tutorials.